Hey there, folks. Greg Shepard here, S&A Financial Services. I specialize in helping folks all over the country basically just get the most out of those oftentimes confusing higher ed retirement plans. Typically, folks, we're talking about those TIAA accounts. Okay. The purpose of this video is to announce, that sounds so dramatic, is to announce a new program I'm rolling out. Okay. This is really intended for those that have maybe 10 plus years from retirement that want to strategize/optimize their current retirement plan. Okay, so what I mean by this is that I've been giving, I'm helping you folks out there as much as I can, giving you free, we'll call it advice or direction, however you're going to word that. It's not necessarily advice, just giving you some ideas, some things to think about. And a lot of you have asked to pay me for said advice. And I wasn't really interested in that. I didn't really have a business model to accept that. Typically, people that are onboarding as a client of the firm are transitioning into retirement, and we're trying to figure out how to unwind or strategize for income purposes at retirement, because there's a lot of, it's a tangled web, right? But for those of you that are in your accumulation phase, 10 years plus until retirement, you're asking, well, what about us, right? Again, didn't really have a business model in place to accept you all as clients until now. Okay, so here's what's going on. For those of you in your accumulation phase looking to strategize/optimize your current retirement plan, and that's it, okay? Here's what this looks like. One-time strategy/optimization meeting. It's going to last an hour. I'm going to throw your stuff, your investment choices inside some software that I have. And it's going to help us have a conversation around what you're going to do with your current retirement plan, both for static money and future monies as well. Do you have BrokerageLink? Do you even know what I'm talking about when I say BrokerageLink? We're going to optimize that for you. TIAA Traditional, does it fit in your game plan? Do you know the liquidity restrictions around Traditional? We're going to have that discussion. That's our first meeting, 1 hour, okay? From that point forward, you're going to receive quarterly, that's 4 folks, 4 recorded webinars from me in your inbox, okay? More of a general discussion about the economy and the investment landscape, okay? What else are we going to get? 1 meeting per year after that strategy, /optimization meeting, 1 meeting per year, check-in, review, however you want to word that. We're going to go over your stuff, make sure you're still aligned with your goals, your risk tolerance, and maybe mix some things up. So that 1 meeting per year, 4 webinars, and that initial, very important strategy/optimization meeting. Oh gosh, how much did I come? $250 per quarter. All right, that's pretty cheap given what you'll receive, okay, in my opinion. $250 per quarter, paid via debit and credit card, okay, and or credit card. All right, if interested, I don't think I forgot anything. Oh, for those that sign up, I'm capping this off, folks, for participants up to 10 people. For those of you that sign up, those first 10 people, you're going to be grandfathered into any cost escalations in the future. I have a feeling the price is going to go up in the future, but you're going to be grandfathered into that. Like I said, 10 folks now, just to make sure everything runs smoothly and you're receiving the level of service that I want to provide. For those of you that get it, try to onboard this new service, this new program above and beyond the first 10, you'll be on a waiting list for the next 10, and then we'll see how this goes, okay, folks? But right now, this is what's going on. If you're interested in such a program, by all means, email me. Yeah, let's do that. Why don't you go ahead and email me, and we'll get you started. This is a kind of a pilot program, so we'll see how it goes, right, folks? All right, for those of you that asked for it, here it is. All right, Greg Shepard here, S&A Financial Services. You all take care. All right, bye-bye.